Hey, what's up guys, it's Clayton J. We're back with another YouTube video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So today, we have another Temu package right here. And this right here cost us $63. Yeah, it's getting more expensive. I really need to delete the app. But yeah, let's get right into it today. Alright. I already opened it, my bad. Yeah. Alright. So this time, I'm not gonna lie, I bought some like stuff that like I don't need and that I shouldn't have bought, but I did, okay? So don't judge. All right, so this is the first one. This is it.
My hand's still
Okay,
on.
but you gotta try the you gotta try the candy. You gotta try it. No, show the camera. You gotta.
This one's shocking me. My hand's still on. I'm scared.
It's pretty hard to open though. We got a toy for Topper right here. Topper, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, toy. Come here. Look. Look at this. Oh, look. He's just cute hugging his little toy. Yeah, you like it? I don't know if you guys can see him. Can you guys see? I think this toy was a success. Topper approves. Good boy. All right, now you got a toy. All right, next up. Don't go too far, though. Don't go too far. Because we got another toy for Topper. I like this one. This one's cute. Green's my favorite color. We got another toy. Can you guys see him? He's a goofball. This is it. This thing's really cute. So this is it. Can you guys see him back there? Yes, you can. All right, I'll give him this toy over here. Hey, Topper, look, you got another toy. I want you to approve this one, buddy. It's our favorite color. Let's try it. Topper, get it, buddy. You ready, Topper? Ready? Go get it. He doesn't know yet. I think he approves it. Yeah, he approves it. He approves it. All right. Let's get into the next item on the list, which is this right here. Boom. Yeah, so this is a lint roller. So this is a lint roller, as in you just go like this. So this side, and then there's also this side. I don't understand. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I think this side works. I mean, I don't know if it was worth it, but I do think it works a little bit. So, we'll see. Hey! Toppy got a little nice shirt right here. Let's see if it's gonna be big enough to fit. Oh my! I'm gonna cry. This is so cute. Look, guys. This is definitely gonna fit him. Topper, get back here. Come here, buddy. Come here. We gotta put this shirt on you. This is gonna be the first time he's worn something because I have never bought him anything. You're gonna try on a shirt, okay, buddy? This is gonna be the most cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Come here, buddy. No, 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 no. Don't be trying to run away. Oh, it might be too small. Oh, no, I think it'll fit just perfectly. Yeah. Let me button it up, buddy. Let me button it up. Ooh, I don't know if I can button the... cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Right here. Boom. Topper J. Looking like a beast. This is the most adorablest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. You look handsome. Mwah. Good boy. He's like, really, this is embarrassing. You look so cute. All right, go play with your toy. I don't know if he liked it, but I did. Very cute, Topper. All right, let's keep getting in. We barely made a dent, guys. So, oh, I bought this. You guys saw in my last video, I got one. This comes with two. Talk to the mic.
This is a mess.
That's your mic.
Hello. Hi.
Not too close.
Can they hear me right now?
I don't know. We're gonna check after. I got my own on. Come over here really quick to the camera. Because I'm not gonna lie, Allison and I have been. I hope you can hear me. Allison and I have been talking about making a podcast together on like Spotify or.
Damn, I look fat as fuck.
We're not fat shaming
flip.
anyone right
Kitty
now.
flip.
Ooh, that's gonna be on our OnlyFans too. You can go check that out too. Or
OnlyFans at AllisonSwarber.com.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be the manager. I'll just film. So yeah, she can do all the stuff. I'll just get half the money. No, but we're actually planning on making
OnlyFans.
No, we're planning on making what do you call it?
I really don't like that there. I just moved that.
Well, no, I put that there.
But it'll get moved back.
Yeah, but I hope this works. But yeah, we've been thinking about making a podcast. Comment down below if you actually watch our podcast.
About the girls and the gays.
No, that's
Here,
not.
stand back to back like this. Girls and the gays. Gays, shake it to the girls, shake it to the gays, shake it to the girls and the gays.
No. Actually, I already picked out a name, but we'll see if we actually do it. Because I might just do it with someone else. I don't know. She'll be good enough for it. Yeah.
Ew, why haven't showered since fucking work? I need to go home and shower.
I have a little bit of
onion.
Oh yeah, kind of. But I'm kind of attracted to it.
I'm taking my mic off. Clayton can have two mics. Here you go, Clayton.
All right. Oh, all right, guys. I hope this works. Oh yeah. I'm not joking about the podcast. We've actually been thinking about making a podcast. Oh my gosh, this is the most cutest thing ever. A picture of Topper. Look, it's a picture of Topper. I'm gonna hang it up on my wall. How cute is this? This is the most cutest thing ever. I don't know where I'm gonna hang it, but I'm gonna hang it somewhere and it's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I like it. That's really cute. Oh, boom. This is a mat for his kennel, like a pee mat, kind of like. Just in case it's like a washable mat, so just in case he takes the little leakers, they should catch it, and then I can put it in the wash. This is really cute. I'm glad I got this. All right, we got a chain, another chain. Let's try this chain on. All right, I got the chain on. This is how it looks. I think it's a pretty cool chain. What up, buddy? Pretty cool chain. This is actually probably one of my favorite ones I got so far. I like this one. It's like thin. I don't know. It's pretty cool. What up, Topper? Showing off your new cute little outfit. Whoa! Look what we got for you, buddy. Yeah, another duck. This one's big too. Hey, no, get back over here. Look, come here, buddy. Look, it's a duck. Ready, Topper? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. It's over there. Go get it. Go get it, Topper. He doesn't know where I threw it. We got this. Try this. First of all, this is kind of dumb that they wrote shock. Pull here. Like, that right there looks like I want to try to prank people. But damn. Yeah, it shocks. This is what I want to say. So I got one more piece of gum, you know?
Yeah?
That I want you to have.
Is this an advertisement or sponsored?
No.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell them that your breath, like I'm gonna tell you that your breath stinks. I'm gonna have you have a piece of gum. Like it's a skip, okay? Just go with it. It's only the 75-cent gum, and you're just gonna grab it, okay? And then I'm gonna, okay, so. Okay, you ready?
Yum.
Okay, so.
No, I'm hungry.
I know, but okay, this is what I'm gonna say, okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say, oh my god, your breath smells like, just have a piece of gum, okay? Then you just like, fine, and you grab it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you ready? What?
Nothing.
Okay, what?
It's a joke.
What is?
It's not real gum.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Okay, you ready, set?
Yes.
Your breath, okay, now I can't do it, you ready? Dude, your breath stinks, like just take a piece of gum.
Okay.
It's a shocked gum. You're right, it is fake. Did you expect that?
Let me do that to you.
No, I already did it. No, I'm not doing it.
Do it.
No, I
Do
can't.
it. Do it.
No, I'm not doing it. I didn't feel that. Did you know that?
Do it again. Do it again. My hand's still on.
How funny is
That gum one did not feel good on my hands.
Dude, I did it to myself. That was pretty
Numb.
scary. I'm gonna keep that gum. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna go to work and do it on Jimmy at work tomorrow. Ooh, what do we got in here? This is cute. Yeah, Topper. This is gonna go in Topper's kennel. These little cute things that go on the side of the kennel. They're gonna go in Topper's kennel because I put some food and water in his kennel and like I'm at work and all that. And I come home and like he dumps all the bowls, so there's just food, water everywhere, and then he's all wet, and I'm not dealing with that anymore. No. Hey, he likes it. So I got those. Those are pretty cute. Let's see what else we got. Oh, we got another chain. I bought another one. Okay, let's try it out. This one's thick. Oh. So. Oh. So, I got some tongue scrapers. I got one for Allison, and I got one for me. They're like a couple cents, and I always am scared to use a tongue scraper because like I've never used one in my entire life. I'm 23 years old, and I'm scared that like a lot of gunk is gonna come off my tongue, and it's like ew. But I think it's really good to have a tongue scraper, so I'm gonna start tongue scraping. So yay! Look at my cute baby boy. Do a little dance for us. Hey. Oh, yeah. Mwah. I love you, buddy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. All right. What else do we have left? So we have these right here. I think these are things that you throw in the wash, and it's supposed to be like a lint roller in the wash for like pet hair. That's why they're shaped like a dog paw print. So I'm gonna try these out. Hopefully they work. Ooh, I got this. Like, it's a brush. But yeah, that thing's pretty cool. And then last but not least, boom. Yeah, I got some hair removal stuff. I just thought it was funny. So this is how it looks. Alright guys, it is the end of the video. Thank you guys for making it this far. Smash the thumbs up button. Check the description below because it has all my social medias. And remember to comment. Comment if you've ever used this app. And comment if you made it this far. Yeah, because I want to know who makes it this far. Like, I want to know who makes it to the end of the videos. Does anyone make it to the end of the videos? I don't know. Nowadays, I don't think anyone can watch more than 5-second clips of videos, you know. But if you made it this far, hey, thank you. You're a true one. All right. We're out. Topper and I are out. And be ready for another video because we will definitely get one. I might buy more shirts for Topper because this one is so cute. Love you guys. See you next video. Bye.